In this video, I'll be showing you how to enter the arena in Where Winds Meet. Now all you need to do is simply open up the menu and then select Wandering Paths. From here, choose the option Arena, and then you can choose whether you want to go in 1v1 or Perception Forest. You can also choose, depending on the arena that you want, whether you're going to allow cross-server matchmaking. Now this simply means it allows you to play against people who are currently on mobile or on PC or PS. If you choose to allow that, simply select it. If you want to deselect it, simply deselect it. From here, you can then go ahead and select Start and simply wait for yourself to be put into a match. Or, as you're waiting, you can simply go ahead and prepare for battle, change your current build, your inner ways, your mystic skills, and simply go ahead and customize as you wait for your match to start. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.